Ever wondered what it's like to taste the flavors of ancient Egypt? Imagine dining like a pharaoh with a recipe that's over 3,000 years old. Curious? Did you know ancient Egyptians enjoyed a rich and diverse diet? What could they have possibly cooked up in their grand kitchens? Get ready to cook an ancient Egyptian favorite that's easy to make with ingredients you probably have at home. Any guesses? I'm thrilled to share this recipe with you. It's simple, delicious, and a window into the daily life of ancient Egyptians. Picture this, a bustling ancient kitchen. The aroma of fresh herbs and spices, and the anticipation of a grand feast. You can recreate this magic in your own kitchen. Ready to cook like an ancient Egyptian? Here's the recipe. Ta'amia, ancient Egyptian falafel. Ingredients: chickpeas, fresh herbs, garlic, cumin, coriander, salt, and pepper. Instructions: blend chickpeas with herbs and spices. Shape into patties. Fry until golden brown. Serve with fresh veggies and a tangy sauce. Try it out. Comment below if you made the recipe and how it turned out. Share your thoughts and tag your friends for a taste of history. For more ancient recipes, hit that follow button.